Hey guys, welcome to practice 3. Here we are rewriting decimals as fractions and mixed numbers. As you see on this first page, on the first couple pages, we're going to be using some pictures to help us. So here I have 1 and 8/10. Well, I know that I can easily rewrite that because I can say it, 1 and 8/10. And now I'm saying to myself, this needs to be simplified. 8 and 10 are both divisible by 2, so 1 and 4/5. Excellent. 2 and 2/10. 2 and 2/10. Love it because I can say it. 2/10 can be simplified, so we have 2 and 1/5. All right. 3 and 5/10. Now that one I know can be simplified already to 3.5. Here's 36 hundredths, which is going to look like this, 36 hundredths. Both of those numbers are divisible by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Gives me 9/25. 1 and 35 hundredths is going to look like this, 1 and 35 hundredths. 35 hundredths can be simplified. They're both divisible by 5. So we have 1. Don't forget that whole number. Oh my gosh, it'd be so sad if you didn't remember it. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 100 divided by 5 is 20. All right, next page. 1 and 12 hundredths. 1 and 12 hundredths. Those are both divisible by 2. They're both divisible by 4. Equals 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 1 and 3/25. All right, 3 and 57 hundredths. 3 and 57 hundredths. 57 can be divided by 3 because 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 can be divided by 3, but 100 cannot be divided by 3. So I believe that 57 hundredths is where we got. As low as we can go. All right. Here we have our thousandths, right? There are 1,000 cubes in this thing, which is hard to believe, but there are. So this is 58 thousandths, and I know that those can both be divided by 2. 58 divided by 2 is 25, 26, 27, 58, 29, 29. 29. 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. Whoa, it's getting a little intense here. All right, 169 one-thousandths. 169 might be a prime number. 169 divided by... I think it's prime. I think we're going to leave it. All right, here, 1 and 92 hundredths. 1 and, not 92 hundredths, 92 thousandths, Miss Brewster. Those are both divisible by 2. Is 1 and 92 divided by 2 is going to give you 46. 46 5 hundredths. Those are both divisible by 2. So that's going to be 23 250ths. And I think that's what we got there. All right, next page. All right, last one. 2 holes, 2 holes, and 235 thousandths. 2 holes, 235 thousandths. Those are both divisible by 5. 235 divided by 5 is going to be 47. 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. Don't forget that whole number, 2 and 47 200ths. All right, rewrite each decimal as a fraction or mixed number in simplest form. Here's 7 and 3/10, 26 and 9/10, 59 hundredths, 15 and 82 hundredths. That can be simplified into 15 and 41 50ths. 1 and 28 hundredths, that can be simplified because they're both even, is equal to 1 and 14 250th, that can be simplified to 1 and 7 25ths. 4 and 109 1,000ths. That, I believe, seems like it's done. This is just 136 thousandths. Those are both divisible by 2. 136 divided by 2 is 68 500ths. Those can both be divided by 2. 34 250ths. Those can both be divided by 2. Is 17. 250 divided by 2 is 125. That's as low as you can go. Whew. 3 and 602 1,000ths. Those can both be divided by 2. 602 divided by 2 is 301. All right, next page. Ah, that's it. Goodbye.